The other day I was in the mood to spoil myself, and I had a box. It's like a gift set at Luxurious Perfumes that I had in mind or had my eye on for a while. And the one day I decided, okay, you know what? I'm not waiting any longer. I'm going to buy it. So I really wanted the fragrance, and it came in a box set, and you'll see it now on the screen. Excuse me. And I thought, okay, well, I'm going to spoil myself. I wanted it for a long time, and I bought it. And the fragrance that I'm talking to you about, and the fragrance that I bought, the gift set, is called Art of Universe from Lattafa Pride. Now, everybody knows this fragrance, but I don't think everybody owns it. And it was my turn to own it, and I bought the whole gift set because I felt for the price a little bit more, and I got the whole gift set, like the deodorant spray and the small little 30 ml I got with, and the taster sample bottle I got with as well, which is a good value for money. So Luxurious Perfumes, they sell it. I'll put their details down a little bit later on the video, and you can give them a contact. They've got all sorts of gift sets that you can get for this year for Christmas. So don't wait, they can run out of stock very quickly. So yeah, just to get back to Art of Universe, this is a lovely fragrance with a top note of mandarin, bergamot, ginger, and mint. And it's a very nice, fresh scent. Everybody knows what it smells like. It's got pear, orange blossom, musk, amber, and cedar. It's a very gentleman fragrance, but it's a projective fragrance. This fragrance gives you longevity, and it projects very far. I sprayed this the other day on my son before he went to school, and before he came out of his room, out of my room, I was in the kitchen. I just smelled it immediately. That's just how good the projection is on Art of Universe. It doesn't just smell well. It doesn't just smell exquisite. It is very projective, and it's very longevity. It's massive. So this is a beautiful fragrance. This is also said to be a duplicate, or dupe rather, for Blue Talisman. Everybody knows Blue Talisman. Everybody knows this fragrance. I just had to buy it. I had to do a review on it because everybody knows it, and so can I. So I'm joking, but I really wanted to share this with you because this is a very nice fragrance. If it's a fragrance that you can afford, I would suggest getting hold of it and putting it on the rack with the rest of your collection, because it is a lovely fragrance. I love it, and it's gentlemanly, and it's a nice, sporty, fresh fragrance that you can wear every day. It's lovely. So, guys, the details for Luxurious Perfumes at the bottom. Give them a WhatsApp. They've got beautiful fragrances, and they've got nice gift set for Christmas. I know it's still a bit long before Christmas coming, but it doesn't hurt to do your Christmas shopping beforehand, before everybody's stock is running out, because these stock from the Lattafa Pride is not going to last very long. So give them a WhatsApp, chat with them, and do your Christmas shopping early.